mercy.
Lamarr Wilson.
I don't get to see Lamarr Wilson here. Welcome to the show. Now, you saw the thumbnail. You know what's in this box. There's a Microsoft employee in my house right now, and he flew from Seattle all the way here to LA so I can unbox this, and then he gets to take it back, which I don't think is fair. Okay, so while I'm opening this, let me tell you about this one. This is a Scorpio Edition Xbox One X. This is a 24 karat gold Xbox. 24 karat gold? And here's the best part. You have an opportunity to win one of these. What? And there's only like a few in the world right now. What? From what I heard, I'm the first person besides the person who put it in the box to unbox this one. What? They had another one that they gave away a few months ago. Now this is a different one. It is signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Oh man, I gotta be all like careful, and I can't just do my, get out of here. Okay, I'm like, this is not a regular Lamarr Wilson unboxing, but this is, oh my God. Holy Lord have mercy. Is my hands clean? Oh, I spit on it. Ooh, okay. Yeah, so this is a regular Xbox One X Scorpio edition that they overlaid with 24 karat gold. I'm like, I keep spitting on it. I'm gonna disinfect it, whoever wins, I promise. Here you can see the front, every little detail. Oh my God, the side is beautiful. Someone just emailed me. The back, all, like this was some care put into this. That is freaking amazing. Now there's one thing I do wanna check in the box for. I'm sorry, Jeff. Yes, this is what I was looking for. So being a Scorpio edition, get out of here. Okay, so that's how it looks standing up. Oh my. I mean, this thing is beautiful. We're not done. I am so glad I opened this box. Remember I was like, I'm gonna throw this box and then everything fell out. I wish these ain't gold. I wish they were. Probably gold plated. Nope, they're not. Glad I looked at this. I gotta open this up very carefully. Oh my God, okay. Can I keep this one? No? Okay. I have no words. It is the perfect controller. It's perfection. No, there's enough spit everywhere. How would you like to win this? There's a link below that explains everything. Vast majority of Game Pass members, they have quests that are going on. I actually started a couple days ago. We have these summer quests where I'll give you an example. Quest 1 is to play 60 minutes, 3 days in a row in any Xbox game title pass before July 9th. And then the second one is to earn 3 achievements in the game I just mentioned from July 10th through the 16th. So you do those 2 quests, you automatically like qualify to win this. This is the crown jewel. So if you're an Xbox Game Pass member, do so. Even if you're a trial member, you're in. You go in and do those quests, you are in. And the link that I'm gonna give you below at the bottom of it is gonna have a 14-day free trial for you to get started with Game Pass right away. Can I keep this? He can't hear me, he's downstairs. But it is like, I should have had white gloves on. I just like, why? It is so beautiful. Can I have you? No. All right, guys, so before I let you go, I just had some thoughts cross my mind. I don't want to give this away. I mean, I put it like this. I want one of you all to get it, but like, I want to keep it for a while. So the problem is the Xbox executive is downstairs waiting for me to finish this video so he can fly back to Seattle to the Microsoft campus, and I'm not sure what to do here. Anyway, it's Unboxed. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Listen, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I do all kinds of unboxings in this genre, tech, media, all kind of cool pop culture stuff. So if you like seeing this kind of stuff, hey, subscribe. And dropping a like won't hurt either. All right, so I'm gonna call him up here after the video to get this, because I unboxed it and I reboxed it, and he's gonna take this back to Seattle. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, Jeff. Oh, hey, look, Jeff Rubenstein from Xbox. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good, Microsoft, not Xbox. I mean,
it's the same.
Yeah. You've done This Week in Xbox, right? The show,
Thanks
the host. Yeah. So, yeah.
Y'all done?
Yeah. It was a great video.
Oh, I'm sure. I can't wait to see it.
No, I think you're gonna love it.
Okay,
so,
cool.
Yeah,
Well,
here's the
box.
Yeah. So take care.
Appreciate it. So,
yeah.
do you mind? The insurance company insists that I just take a. I want to make sure.
No, you all know me.
But they do insist.
No, I mean, can you go look at get in your car. I'm just saying.
Yes, of course, but
Wait, no,
that's
no. I mean, if you just look at it downstairs or something.
again, this isn't between us. This is just, you know, we Lamarr.
Jeff, I'm
Gold
sorry.
and mustard yellow are
Jeff,
not the same thing.
Jeff, I'm sorry.
This is a beautiful console, but it is not gold. It is not 24
Jeff,
karat gold.
I gotta have that.
I thought we were close.
Jeff, what's that?
Lamarr! He's not coming back.